As you grow and you expand, you have to develop that network outside of your own comfort zone. So that might be outside of your own county, outside of your own province, and very often outside of your own state.
This event was designed to provide a platform for Irish SMEs, that's small, medium enterprises, to interact with South Carolina companies in order to explore what opportunities exist in the US market.
When a business, particularly in an island as small as Ireland, gets to a particular scale and size, you need to start looking outside of your natural boundaries.
Sometimes it can be quite a daunting proposition for an Irish company to look at dealing with their colleagues and network partners here in the United States.
Obviously, we come from a small country where everybody really interacts on a personal basis, and we got a lot of that feeling from Greenville, which is really exciting for us.
The first day was designed with the slogan of demystification, where we touched on all the fundamental elements of how do you best enter in the US in order to make it less scary and accelerate the process to establish themselves within the US marketplace.
The Upstate Alliance has really helped break the ice and introduce us to people here. So we're really enthusiastic about opening our office in the US and hopefully here in Greenville.
IMR and the Upstate Alliance have taken a lot of that time and effort out in order to get them directly into a business conversation.
But this week has just been an absolute buzz. The companies have really enjoyed themselves. Lots and lots of conversations leading to business relationships and enterprise. And we'll be bringing South Carolina companies to Ireland, and hopefully we'll be able to show them the same fantastic welcome in Ireland that we have received.
Any of these progressions happen bit by bit, and it's been a very useful first step in getting to know what's going on in an area of the US.
We want to be more strategic in how we interact and engage with companies in order to effectively attract investment into the state.
It was great for us to come here with Upstate Alliance and some of our target market customers who are here with us at the BMW Performance Centre, next to the biggest BMW plant in the world, which is in South Carolina. We got an opportunity to drive the M-Series performance cars that you really only get to see in the showroom. So it's been a great experience, great hosts.
I think it's worthwhile. I always say that, you know, if you're looking for work outside of your comfort zone, outside of your local supply base, you're never going to find it under your own desk. So any vehicle that you employ to get offshore, to get out of your own comfort zone, it's worthwhile. And all you've got to do is turn up and enjoy the ride.
Core feedback has been very positive this week, and on the basis of that, we will open this pilot out to lots of further Irish companies and lots of further South Carolina companies. And this twinning arrangement that we have with South Carolina really will benefit many companies over years to come, and this is just the start of a journey.